Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So the two new words for the day are desultory and disabuse. So desultory means a situation where you lack a definite plan or a purpose, or a situation where you're rambling or you may be unmethodical. An example for desultory is a situation where a person may not be happy with his pay increase, so he may only make a desultory effort to complete his or her duties on time. The second word for the day is disabuse. The word may sound very negative, but it isn't that negative. So the meaning is to remove a misunderstanding or to free someone from a kind of misconception. An example could be where I'm going to try to disabuse you of the fact that the earth is flat. So I have sufficient evidences to disabuse you of the notion that the earth is flat. Thank you for coming back again today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our video, comment down below, and come back tomorrow for more new words. Bye.